We are at 8805 Jeffrey Street. We are at a great condo here. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
That's right. What I love about this condo is this large living area with this large dining space, but it also has vaulted ceilings.
You're going to absolutely love this because it is large, especially once you get inside. The video doesn't do it justice. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. We are at 8805 Jeffrey's condo complex. This complex is so pretty. There's a lot of greenery here. The HOA does include the gym and the water bill, the sewer bill, and the pool and the jacuzzi. This unit is downstairs, which is great, convenient if you're bringing in your groceries or anything else. Let's go on inside. Wait till you come and see these bedrooms. They're so large. Same with the bathroom. The dining room area is large as well. You can put a bigger table here. And what I love about it, it's opened up to the kitchen. To put more bar stools here for entertaining. It's a large kitchen area, stainless steel, stove, microwave, dishwasher. Look how pretty this is. Here's the primary bedroom. It's large as well with double closets and double sinks in the primary bathroom as well. It has a walk-in shower. This unit has a tankless water heater, so you have unlimited hot water, which is great. It does have a patio, great for entertaining, relaxing, cup of coffee, glass of wine. Absolutely love it. This is a great location. We're right by the 215 freeway, right off of Eastern, and there's plenty of restaurants and shopping here.
And the HOA includes a gym, a clubhouse, a pool, a jacuzzi, and the water bill is included.
So you get a lot for that HOA. So if you want to know more about this property or anything else, call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.